Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Krishna here. Today's video is about an interview that honestly nobody expected, not the timing, not the tone, and not the depth. Vladimir Putin, yes, the Russian president sat down for a rare interview right after his India's visit. And reporters actually asked the kind of questions people normally hesitate to ask him directly. So let's break down what was asked and what he has answered and why this interview shook up the global news cycle. And to get regular updates on geopolitics, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. See, Putin hardly gives interviews to Indian media. The last big one was many years ago. And this one just came before a very important 2025 visit to India, where major deals on energy, trade, defense, nuclear cooperation, everything was on table. And because of that, the reporters didn't hold back. They pushed him on India Russia ties, Ukraine war, Western pressure, Modi's leadership, and even his 25 years in power. This was not a PR interview, this was straight questions and straight answers. So let's check out what were some important questions asked and how Putin has responded. So the first question was about India-Russia relationship and it was pretty expected, but the answer was a solid headline material. Putin's detailed response was, he called India a great country. He said India's economy is growing at around 7.7% and that is a huge achievement under PM Modi. He praised how India handles its development without losing its identity. And on what deals are coming, he didn't list the specifics, but he hinted something like trade expansion, long term energy cooperation, continued defense partnership, and new agreements across major sectors. Basically, he gave the message Russia sees India as a serious long term partner, not just a buyer. And the way he emphasized India's growth, you could tell this was intentional. Right before the visit, this kind of phrase is diplomacy. And this is where the interview got bold. The reporter directly asked about Western pressure, especially on India buying Russian oil. Putin's key points were he straight up said PM Modi is not a man who bends under pressure. He accused Western countries of applying unfair pressure related to oil and energy. He said if Europe and the West can buy Russian oil quietly, then it makes no sense to target India for doing the same. He insisted Russia will continue its independent economic policy no matter what sanctions or pressure come from outside. And this part was very interesting because Putin didn't just defend India, he attacked the double standards, and actually, his argument was pretty logical. If the West buys Russian oil, why shouldn't India? Of course, the Ukraine war question had to come, and honestly, the way Putin answered, he didn't dodge it, but he framed it exactly the way Russia wants the world to see it. Putin's detailed the breakdown. He didn't use the word victory. He said the war is about defending Russian people, Russian language, culture, and interest. He accused Ukraine's government for attacking Russian language speakers, shutting down Russian affiliated chess, and destroying cultural ties. He admitted peace talks have happened with the US envoys quietly, but he said recent proposals are totally unacceptable. So peace is very difficult right now. He made it clear Russia won't compromise on what it considers as fundamental rights. And this part is classic Putin. He just shifted the narrative from aggression to protection. Whether people agree or not, this is Russia's official line. And he stuck to it point by point. This was one of the boldest questions because asking a leader like Putin about regrets is not something most reporters would dare. And Putin's answer was he said he doesn't like looking back. He didn't list any regrets. He said thinking about the past isn't productive for a leader. In simple words, he stands by everything he's done, no second thoughts, no admissions. That's very on brand for Putin. So, what does this interview really mean and why it is so important? And what are the important takeaways with the meeting? Russia want to strengthen its ties with India at the time when its relations with the West are shaky. Putin tried to position India as a respected strategic partner and not as an ally. He openly backed Modi's leadership and India's independent foreign policy. He used this interview to directly speak to Indian audience, which itself is very rare. His messaging on Ukraine was firm, but he still acknowledged peace talks, which means negotiations aren't off the table. This interview wasn't just answers, it was careful time political message aimed at India and the wider world. And whether you agree with Putin or not, one thing is clear. This was one of the most direct interviews he has ever given in years. The questions were bold, the answers were revealing, and the timing was perfect right before a visit where billions of dollars in deals and decades of diplomacy were at stake. So that was a breakdown of the interview that many reporters wouldn't dare to do. If you found this explanation useful, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until